Hello guys, so Danny here with ParTay. Today is a happy day. 2 days in a row. Yesterday was a happy day, but today's even happier. And I'm going to show you why. So you can see my screen, the big screen there. That is a medium gray screen. And you can see I've got a black screen, a black panel right there in the center. You can see my shadow because I do have light on and the window open. But this isn't really about ambient light. This is to show you, bam. So increased black levels, retain brightness. Color saturation is very nice. Not overly saturated, but definitely pops. I knew it was possible in theory. It was really just a matter of sciencing the formula out. You can look at that. So the dark tones, retained whites, and that's against a lighter, much lighter screen. So happy day here for ParTay. Once again, our launch is coming up soon, and I hadn't planned on including this line. This was more just me on a sideline project trying to figure out how we could advance things as we move forward. But it looks like I'll be able to get this ready for our launch, and so I'm excited. I hope you guys are too, and hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll put the email in the description. Thank you, guys.